breakfast. I had to celebrate for winning. Got some Waffle House, got a melt and some waffles, and about to go watch some YouTube. Let's do it. I'm recording this in the gimbal, man. Look how crazy this is, bro. Like, it's just so smooth.
Oh, I'm get a tattoo. For real? Yeah.
Hi.
Oh God, this gimbal lit up full.
Champion, boy.
You go and get the fits. Go and
Got
get
the goddamn thrifted sweats. The goddamn gift from Max North Face hoodie. Cool shit. Priceless.
priceless. Got an interview today. So, got kind of a little spiffy, but yo, this gimbal is so lit. It's just heavy. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. But yeah, got an interview today. If you know the DoD game, then I don't need to explain, but I'm gonna explain it later when I get out, because it's like 7:45 a.m. right now, and it's an early interview, man. It's crazy. But go to the interview, go to work, go to the gym, then I'll get back with y'all. Peace. Man, this is gimbal. Look at this. Woo. Yo, what's up, y'all? This is JNanjoe back here today. So, did an interview today, and it's interesting. Something interesting happened. So, the person that pretty much hooked me up with that job opening, he's a guy that I've helped before. I've assisted. He's up there in the ranks wise in the federal. He's in NHL 4 now, but while I was working with him, he was in 03. So he was pretty much like the liaison, pretty much, you know, the UCSO, if you know what that is, or whatever. It's like the middleman type thing for stuff. And you know, so when I did the interview today, it was like 7:35, man. So you know, it went good. Of course, like based on my job experience, I was asked like 3 questions, and pretty much from those questions was pretty much explained my job experiences and what my weaknesses and strengths are. And you know, of course, one bullet it was beefed up. It was all my experience. It was like system admin stuff, and the other 2 not so much, although I did have some bullets, you know what I'm saying, like kind of found those keywords to say in the interview. And that, you know, panel, if you've ever done like federal interviews, like especially civilians, like kind of weird, man. It's like you sell yourself, you tell them what you've done, and you know, all they do is sit there and write notes pretty much. And so the interesting that happened was I went to the gym today, and I saw one of the panel members, and which is a guy that hooked me up with a position, you know, and he was like, you know what I'm saying, I think you did good, man, you did good. And like, and he kind of gave me a wink, whatever. It's like, you did good, whatever. So yeah, and then when he told me that, and he was like, oh yeah, that's my boss right there. So he's already up there, and his boss was up there too with him working out. And so he was like, oh yeah, he's told me bad things about you or whatever. So, you know, joking around and stuff. But yeah, it was pretty cool, man. So I think I did pretty alright. Like I said, I wasn't confident in the other 2 bullets, but I had to show them that I know what I'm talking about and I'm not just bullshitting, you know what I'm saying? So I said some keywords. But yeah, so yeah, I did that. Worked out today with Isaiah. We did shoulders, and Isaiah's my co-worker. And yeah, man, I figured I would get some a couple strokes in for pool, but I gotta go see Alexis in a second. So yeah, and then when I got home, I pretty much had a lot of mail, so I was just opening them, signing up for like cards and all that stuff. So, you know, trying to build my credits more. Like, my credit's already good, but like Amazon and like some type of like, I'm sure other credit cards too, you know, like if you sign up you get like 150 or 100 bucks, and I'm like, I can need 100 bucks to spend on dumb stuff right now, so I might as well apply. Not use my actual money, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's smart, especially since I'm not gonna BS around and just ball out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, so I got like a week left. I turned 27 on January 24th. Getting old, man, you know what I'm saying? Like Kanye said, the only thing certain in life is death, and you know what I'm saying? Every day you get closer to that, you get closer and closer to that date. So it's like you just live to die, you know what I'm saying? But you know, gotta make life count while I'm here, and I feel like everybody should do that. But yeah, guys, so just keep striving, man. Whatever you want to do, keep doing whatever you need to do to get to where you're going. You know what I'm saying? This already, the blueprint's already laid out. You know what I'm saying? We're not the first people who ever lived, so follow the blueprint and just add your little seasoning to it. You know, add your little sauce. You feel me? So yeah. All right, go ahead. What we doing over here, Chef?
Hey everybody, don't want to show the addresses, but we're just doing some wedding invitation stuff here. As you can see, put a little gold seal.
You gotta see the details. Hold up. Okay.
You know,
what A and
J for Alexis and JNanjoe. Y'all already know.
It went down. It did go down. When I was over there.
Game of Thrones inspired.
No, it wasn't.
You're gonna send this to the Raven? Sheesh. Yo. Y'all saw that time of day, man. Early in the morning with it. I am the flyest IT specialist ever. Yeah, I know. Anyways, man, I still look tired as hell. But so like the lady, like the older black lady said yesterday when I was delivering package at USPS. What band you work? You work for a band? And I was like, what? Do you work for a band or do you play in a band? I said, no ma'am. And she was like, well, cause you look like a rock star. And I was like, that lady warmed my heart. But you know, I am a rock star. You are a rock star too. You feel me? Let's get this day started. Get the grind on. All money in, no money out. Well, money out if it helps you with your passion. But no dumb shit. You feel me? Don't buy dumb shit. All 2023. But yeah. Let's all be rock stars, baby. Time to get better. Let's go.
Bruh. Ooh.
Yo, how's it going, y'all? Kind of weird angle here, but I just wanted for you guys to see the whole unboxing. So I bought a new jump cue, and it's just it's not a brake slash jump cue. I mean, you can probably use it for braking, but it's just a jump cue in general. And I'm just gonna unbox it. I'm excited, man. You know, because I'm in the mindset of investing in your passion, investing in your dreams, and I know this thing, well, I know like tools really don't help you with your skill, but I really wanted this thing and I can afford it. And you know, I think it's smart for me to do it. So, but unboxing, it's a BetQ jump cue. I'll leave the link in the description or show like a picture on the screen here, but let's go. don't know what the tip is. Oh man. I don't know, I've always wanted, ever since I knew about carbon fiber. Oh my god. Perfect. Bruh, that's legit perfect. Oh my god. Bro. You there, you got any dreams? Invest in it, chase it. Manifest it, chase it, whatever the heck your definition is, but just work towards it, alright?
Hey, it's JNanjoe and Alexis Ariel. Today's Sunday. We're not really doing much, just chilling. We just went to the grocery store, got some Freddy's burger. And we're about to watch Game of Thrones or Ginny and Georgia, whichever one I decide, because it's my turn to decide. Right, babe?
Mm-hmm. What are you gonna watch? What are you cooking today?
Edit some photos, and yeah, that's what we're doing today. What?
What's the day? What's the day?
Sunday.
How many more days till the king's birthday?
It's 105, 4 days till our wedding. So yeah.
I'm talking my birthday, fool.
I don't even know what day it is today.
I
think it's the 22nd, so 2 days until JNanjoe's birthday. JNanjoe, how do you feel? My apartment's a little messy right now, y'all don't focus on that. Okay. How do you feel knowing that in 2 days you're going to be 27?
I'm getting close to my deadline.
Your what?
My deadline.
What is your deadline?
My death. I'm just getting close to it. What do you... Wait to see your reaction. You do have to show your reaction to the camera.
Okay.
I feel good. Life is great.
What makes life great? What's been going on?
Living.
Yeah, is there anyone in particular that makes life really great?
Stop, bro. What other questions you got for me?
I said, how does it feel knowing you're about to be 28? Do you have any goals for this?
27, man.
Oh, sorry, I messed up. 27. Do you have any goals for, like this year?
Goal? Huh.
Yeah, your birthday's
Get
the same year as January. Okay, get a house.
Get more money.
Facts.
Why are you so close? You don't see my pimples and all my craters and junk?
Okay, get a house.
Make more money. Learn more new things.
Right.
Improve and pool.
Okay.
Is there anything in life, just get better at anything.
Cool. What are you most looking forward to?
Honestly, living together, I guess. I told you, I feel like we're gonna take off once we live together, for sure.
Facts.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to tell the people today?
Don't let nobody tell you nothing. You can do whatever you want. No cap. And get you a black girl for you. If you never had a black girl, y'all know what I'm talking about.
You heard it right here, firsthand from JNanjoe. Close out.
Before this week ends, or to me the week ends on a Sunday. Not they say the week starts on a Sunday, but to me it ends on Sunday. So before this week ends, man, finally got my car. She right here. Oh man, yes, finally back. And I was in the CRV for about really 3 weeks, close to a month, and it was really spacious, but it's nice to be back in this whip. So yeah, man, like I mentioned in my past videos, over just losing a key, you know what I'm saying? Like, and such a little thing could cause, dang man, so a little thing like that could could cause such an inconvenience. Like, who would have thought? And I had to drop like 900 bucks on it because the fobs are expensive, and it's dealership stuff, and Yeah, man. You know, I got through those 3 weeks with you know, no cars. But I know everything happens for a reason, like I said. And it's so funny because when I mentioned to my mom that my car is ready, she was like, "Oh, look at that, great timing." You know, she needs the car Monday, so it's just like, whew, you feel me? Because she's been riding with my sister, and my sister got sick, so now she can't drive. She can't drive my mom to the work area, so now my mom needs to see RV, and it just so happened like got ready. You know what I mean? It's just crazy though. Everything really happens for a reason. You know, when things are down or when things are not going your way, really. You know, I'm not saying this like it didn't get to me. Like I said, I got pissed off one day. I just blew up. You know what I'm saying? Like I was just pissed. Like, you know, what the heck? What? Not at the people, but just in my own time. Like I let it get to me. But you know, when shit like that happens, like, you know, I'm just glad that there are some things that kind of, you know, that didn't make it too bad for me. You know what I'm saying? It could always be worse. But I'm just glad that, you know, my sister's here. And you know, she was able to drive my mom to work. And you know, when my mom needed a car, the car was ready. So yeah, man, it's a lot of lessons in life.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by me.